So okay guys, so the time now is 10:45. We've got another YouTuber who's coming down from High Wycombe, all the way from High Wycombe, coming down to London to see me. Apparently he said he want to challenge me, so let's see how that one turns out. He says he's gonna be there in the next 10 minutes. Super late, so it's gonna take me roughly about 15 minutes to reach down in central London. So we'll see what the rest of the day have in store for us. It's gonna be lit, it's gonna be good, so come on, take in the journey. So we got this YouTuber, say he want to battle me on a 100-meter sprint.
What's up, man?
Introduce yourself. Introduce yourself.
Boy, Karen Prince. I'm Karen Prince Vlogs. So I know you're gonna put something on the screen. Karen Prince Vlogs. Yeah. So here, seeing this guy in the flesh for the first time, man. Good to see you, mate.
Good to have you.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Good?
You don't know, yeah, man. Bless, man. Yeah, so apparently he travelled all the way down from High Wycombe.
High Wycombe, yeah.
Yeah, to get his ass whooped. So come all the way from High Wycombe to London, yeah?
He had to post this video, and he can beat to this 50-meter dash out.
50-meter dash?
He can post it, yeah?
I think is that it?
How much you want?
50 meter? I think is that what you're going for? Take your glasses off and let them see.
How much you want?
Yeah, look at him. Let's go, let's roll. So what's up? So how was the journey done, bro?
Yo, this journey was kind of long, yo, but I made it, yeah? I made it.
How long it took you?
It took me about an hour, yeah? Yeah. About an hour from High Wycombe, yeah?
You know what time I got up?
Cool, yeah? What time?
5, bro, this morning. Oh, what time is set off though? Let's say about 9, yeah? 9. But I got up about 6, yeah? So you can tell he's not a real army man. Yeah. But we're gonna break him into it. Come on, let's do this. So we're going for a quick little session and teach this young fella a lesson. All that country place, come down to London. Say you have country boy come to town. Yeah, I have to set him straight. You know what I mean? And set him back up. Might give him a little sticker or something so he don't cry on the way back up. Caribbean man, he don't play.
Man, he's a Caribbean man, that's what I was saying, yeah? So, me in a country man, man's an island man. Like coming here in his territory, yeah? He's a vet, a recruit is gonna show him what we're about, yeah?
Sorry guys, so yeah, we're just gonna start our run shortly. So we have the big man here himself. So how many miles are we looking on?
If it was for me alone, I would have done like a 5 miler, but I have a partner here, so we'll drop it to 2.5 for him.
2.5, yeah. Okay then. So come on, let's go. 5 mile. So what time are we on? And I think he's just panicking. Yeah, the little run, the little hill session, he's struggling.
Got a mile.
You done a mile?
Yeah.
Come talk to the people.
It's been a mile right now. I mean, the jogging time, 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
So no, we have to step the game up.
Yeah, we'll step it up.
That's shocking. Yeah? Come on, let's go.
That's your man.
Session done. That was what? We did what? 14, 15 little sprint there?
Yeah, about that.
Yeah.
It's been a lot, man.
Going good.
Smashed it.
So now we're just gonna shoot off, look for a little flat, and then start this little race out. Let's go.
So, and then you probably hold it to the side.
Hey, make sure you pay her as well.
It's like, so you'll get like a side of us.
So not following.
Oh, you could follow us, yeah?
Don't move. You don't want me to move? Not even when you go past? Okay. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna go and go. Come on. Ready? On go. 3, 2, 1, go. I don't think I got the winner's line.
Glory's mine. Thank you very much, ladies. That's it. It's going on YouTube. Thank you very much. Cheers. You want to plug yourself in? IG anything?
Component personal training.
Yeah.
Follow me.
Did you
Athlete trainer.
Come on. So what do you have to say about that? Come on.
I mean, he won. I'm not gonna give an excuse, yo.
Come on.
He won.
Oh, man, cheers. Thank you.
Take it.
Don't run away. He's running away. Look, he can't even speak properly. Come on. Come on. Where's all that
won,
tough
man.
chat? Come
He
on.
won. But I mean, that's just a test match, yeah?
A test match.
That's a test match.
All of a sudden, come here, mate.
It's a test match, yo.
You're running. You're still
You
running.
won.
The race is over now. You don't have to run anymore. Come
It's
on
a
now.
test match. I think you was a little scared.
I was scared.
But-
Who won?
I hesitated a bit in the start, yeah? But he won, man. No excuses. He won for now.
That's it.
Yeah.
So you're putting the L up.
So,
Yeah, you're taking the L.
yeah, he won, yeah.
You're taking
he
the
won.
L. Say that. You're
You
taking
won.
the L. Come on, say you're taking the L.
Discount, yo? Discounts, nah.
Ah, here we go. That's it, guy. I don't know. It's all love. It's all fun, you know. My boy
Yeah,
come down for a visit, quick gym session, and you know, just a bit of
Little fun, man, yeah.
a bit of bragging, right?
Yeah.
And that's what it's all about in the end of the day. So now we're just gonna go over to the gym, smash a quick session out. Come on, let's go. Come on, fam. Go again. Let's go again. Smash it. Come on. 3, 4, 5. How you find that, my G?
Yeah, man. It's a good workout, man. I'm running miles to this, yo. Good burnout.
Good burner, eh? Come on. Let's go.
Had a good workout. Some good
that?
miles. Killed it in the gym as well, quickly. Back in the street again, man.
Up there, your arms. I can make your arms falling off here. The pump. The pump now, ready to go. But real quick, sort ourselves out and then hit the road, go and get something to eat. So come on, let's do this.
Yeah, yo, like, it wasn't easy, yo, leaving home. I can say that because, you know, you're coming in a big world. You know, I'm coming from a small island. You know, you're coming over, traveling 8 hours, miles and miles away from home. So, thinking about it wasn't easy. And everybody, when you mention army, yeah? When you mention army, it's like everybody's like, wow, you in the army? Like, start thinking it's like they have this shallow mentality when it comes to the army. You know, a lot of people think you're coming and as soon as you land from the plane, like you're gonna fight war. So it's like that's a mindset, you know. So but then I had a goal, like, I mean, rather than just being at home and being comfortable, I mean, an alright job, but still, you know, in life you need more, and if you settle, I mean, that where's settling gonna take you in life? Just where you are, right? So I wanted more, and I was thinking of doing something that would really give me a concrete future. So in the army, for me, I just wanted to do something that was challenging and also travel, and also this, I think the discipline era of it, because coming in the army, you know, for sure you're gonna get some discipline. And so there are more benefits in the army than people know. You know, people look at the negative of it and think of war. That's the only thing they think of when they talk about the army. But there's so many things, and even my guy here who does a lot of videos, who inspired me as well, because I watch his videos every second. He posted them, you know, and I was inspired seeing that the ins and outs of the army and things that he does and everything like that. Like, it's a good place to start, yeah.
So guys, yeah, so we're just gonna end the vlog there. So just have a quick bite to eat. What's the place called?
Vapiano.
Wow.
He's trying to get me, yeah? Vapiano.
So you don't know, guys, go over to his channel, yeah? Subscribe to him.
Karen Prince Vlogs, yeah?
We lost anyway, so share, post, tweet, guys, and subscribe to my channel. You don't know.
Wrong 2 coming here.
Wrong two.
Wrong 2 coming, yo.
Alright, then, guys, you don't know. Peace, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Yo, we in Vapiano.
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 That's it again.
Vapiano.